No, it's not that far, baby.
Hold on.
It's actually kind of annoying. People think
Do you see the bird?
They don't give him kind of enough slack, you know?
Look, he's back.
I see him. I saw him fly past. Baby Max. The Max. The Max.
Look, he's back.
The Max. The Max. You having fun? Yeah?
Luna, you like the swing? You want to get out? Look, he's back, Chewy.
Oh, I see him. He just flew past. I saw the stick in his mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
How many sticks do you think he's carried?
I think he has 200.
Okay, that's kind of excessive. But
I
yeah,
think he has like 10.
a lot. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good number.
Probably. Oh, I see him.
I know, he's back.
He's right.
He's right there.
Oh.
Mm.
I thought he thought my hair was a stick. That's too fast. Tutu.
Okay, Chewy. Look. Look, you're not looking. He dropped it.
He dropped it.
What is he gonna do?
There.
He's going back for another one. He knows he dropped it.
Some of the daycare ladies will have, other than that, we don't.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, and it's also like,
I appreciate you.
it doesn't have random.
Luna, you ready to get out?
Yes.
Okay, she's ready to get out, Chewy.